Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the speed of a video on Instagram Reels. What you need to do, first just go to Instagram and then go to your story on the top right, and then in the button here just click Reels, and you can see here the speed icon. Just click on the speed icon. Now if you have 0.003x 0.5x, that means the speed is slow. If you choose 2x, 3x or 4x, that means the speed is faster. Just you can select, you can take 2x, 3x or 4x. Let me now, for example, if I want to take a reel, just select 4x and then just click in this button. Yeah, and after that just click preview. Okay, as you can see it's so fast now, and then click next, and then just click share to Reels. This is what you need to do if you want to change the speed of a video on Instagram Reels. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.